So the film start with the big museum where we see two soldiers are coming in the museum there, and there are also a broken stick of Shazam stick. Both the soldiers come near this stick and break the chain glass and take it in their hand. We come to know that there are not soldiers but the daughter of Atlas, and whose one name was Capsule. As soon as he pick up the stone, a lot of guards come there who were stopping them from doing this. But as soon as Calypso something here in his guard, he came under his control. After that, he said to the guard that the mantra I had in your hand, go to and say to another guards. And now as soon as he said the mantra, all were in character of after the eldest daughter at last turned all him to stone. The eldest daughter said that in this string the power of gods, but some time ago she gave all the power to the man of the ground. The powerful man was the warrior must have this power. We must to be an ordinary man. In fact, he was the most intelligent person in the world. So we have to careful. After this, in the next scene, we see Billy. He was a warrior with his doctor. After which Billy goes straight to his house. Here he playing with his sibling staying in childhood farm. As soon as Billy's attention to goes his friend who was standing on the side and listen to something in the earphone. As soon as Billy goes to him and put an earphone in his ears, both brothers find out that the bridge was it broken, sitting broken. The news of which is going everywhere. So that's why Billy decide that we should help go immediately. After that they come out and say Shazam and transform into superhuman and like heroes they fly away and go to bridge to save the people. Now the moment when we see the broken bridge in the middle of which there were cracks, and because of the weight of the car it was breaking. The car crack had become so deep that now the bridge break into the two parts. As soon as this happened, all the cars standing there slowly start falling in the water. First of all they stop the cars from falling and they take them away from the bridge, and in this way he had saved the lives of people but on the standing, but they were sorry that he could not save the broken in front of their eyes. The whole bridge was broken. They are two only because of them. After which all the siblings come to their home and go to a special place where they actually their place. This was the same place where Billy had got his powers from the Shazam power. Billy talk about how do he have to deal with such problem in the future, but no one is interested in his words, so all siblings make excuses and live there. Now we see both the daughter of Atlas who were in their fought in the world of the gods where they had imprisoned Shazam in their captivity, and now both of them had come to meet him. They tell him that thousands of years ago you had taken away the power of our dad, power of his dad at last, but because our dad he but because but because his dad was died, he take his power back. Because this bridge was so much powerful that it can be talk. All the people that were hearing this, Sajam was not ready to do this because he know that he destroy the whole world, on which he clearly refused. Now using his power, Salapsa say he was not ready, but he wanted to do. Then afterwards Kalapsa says some words mantra in his ear and make him control to it. Then they listen his stick even though he does not want to say anything. Shazam loudly. There are a lot of light shine and Shazam's stick is dead. But now at last Adler's daughter tries to snatch this stick from Shazam. Now he tries to break his stick, because of which a small piece of his stick gets stuck in his nail. Shazam brother was talking to a new girl who was in the school. She was talking about to Billy brother. The two girls come there and start troubling him. Seeing this, Billy brother start making fun of those boys. Seeing this, the girl is very happy. Because of this they become friends. There Shazam get into this nail, climb up and talk about a small piece of the stick and order him to go and find a warrior, that is Billy. Now Billy, who was also in the form of his Shazam, had gone to Rome with Wonder Woman. Shazam tell Billy that he was wall between the humans. Shazam tell Billy that is the world of this human and the world of the gods. A madman broke that the wall and my stake is also not with me. The Atlas daughter was coming into your world for the power from you. They will also destroy our world. That's why we all have to stop them. Anyways, after coming home, Billy at his home with the other brothers, where all them are in the form of superhero. They are talking about such a message. Billy tell us, I don't know anything about two daughters of Atlas. Then his brother says that I can help you. Who that his brothers that his brother says that I can help you. Then as he removes an idle, press a button, a very big library open up there. Come inside and see that there are a lot of books there. In all the books there are a lot of information about the god. At the same time he saw see a pen that he writing on his own. Even if someone asks the question with a pen, he give answer by his writing it. Then why Billy and all his siblings come here and ask of Atlas, and from which they come to know that the stick from which Billy had and his sibling got the power. In this that stick Atlas himself had put in his power, not the Shazam had stolen, not the Shazam had stolen. And then this is the how the power got. And then he wrote every power of the his brother. Uh, uh, as soon Billy hear this, the name of that her daughter, he know that he was the wife, the friend, new friend of his brother. That no one in the third one, because nowadays she is getting closer to my brother, so her life is also danger. This girl is also the third daughter of Atlas Calypso, who the sister of Calypso, but no one know the truth after her. So they start going to school quickly. In school, Billy sitting with his Atlas. They said he was a big fan of Shazam, and if he could meet from that family, I would have been happy. Hearing this, Billy say a member of Shazam family is friend. He will come here now, and you will meet him. After that, which he goes behind the wall and come in his super form and come back and meet Atlas' daughter. Then both the daughters of Atlas also come here and take away all his powers from Billy, brother. So due to which he had now become a normal human, due to which he had now become a and as soon due to which Billy brother got struck there and in unable to escape from there. The next moment Billy comes there here and with her sibling and scream and tell his brother that don't worry, we will save you. But seeing this, Atlas' daughter elder said that if any of you move from their place, I will kill your brother. So because of this, now Billy all his friends living in their place. After which, at last the elder daughter take her sister and Billy brother and start flying from there. Yeah, so that Billy or any other city cannot get out, and he make also the shield so that no one can out from this. And now all the sister take Billy from the, and all the sister take Billy from brother from here and come to the world of God. Then Billy and his brothers finding the place to talking about. Then doctor one by one not together. The Billy tell that we will do this. We will catch one of Atlas' daughter and then return off by robbing him. We ask our brother, due to which our brother life will be saved. So according to the plan, all these people go to the pen. Billy tell him that I have to write a letter to Atlas the elder. You write that I want to make a deal with you, but alone. Atlas' daughter has impressed with Billy when in the jail with Shazam. When they meet each other, he tells her, I am Billy brother. Calypso uses his power and tries to control Billy brother mind, and but he was not an adrenaline man, and he was much stronger brain and mind, so that Calypso doesn't get any information from it. Then he himself comes flying, and which Atlas' daughter, after reading this, he find out that that warrior Billy want to deal with us, on which she agreed that yes, I will go and make a deal with him. But before going, she locked Shazam and Billy brother in jail again. Along with that, he had left he left his very old and dangerous web dragon with them. As soon as he about to eat him Atlas' younger daughter come to save him. Then he called, he have to go, you have to run from there. She also showed that the way to run. Now Billy and Atlas' elder daughter came to make deal. She tell him the power of gods, that but you not worthy of that power. Then all the brothers of the siblings Billy was coming and surround Atlas' elder daughter from all sides so that he can impress. But she was not her alone. In fact, he brought her sister Calypso, who suddenly come from behind and take away one of Billy brother power, from which due to which he had come in human form. As soon as it is Atlas' elder daughter attack Billy alone, but Billy along with her two attack Atlas' daughter and make her unconscious. Then he come back to his home, threw away all her sibling unconscious Atlas' daughter. She locked him in a jail and said that now we will take our brother back in our jail. As soon as she said this, everyone leaves from there. She was thinking the Atlas' daughter cannot leave from there, but she was wrong. She was straight from the jail to the library and pick up the black apple from there. She pick up the apple and goes to all the magic doors, and through one of them she came back to the God's world. When Billy and his other sibling find out the Atlas' daughter has run away from there, then he understand that he was going from other magic store, so that why So that's why now she was checking all the door one by one. In God world, Shazam come to the door with Billy brother. He quickly hide there. He sees that Atlas daughter coming from there. He has a black apple in her hand that she stole from the library. Shazam understand that it is very difficult to stop Atlas daughter now. Then he tell Billy brother that we will have to take the black apple from them, and some anyhow now Atlas three brother gather up one place and start talking about he was a golden apple. But now everyone came and talk about start talking. The elder daughter shows them and apple is black, which is actually golden. Now here we know that the golden apple is actually the apple of God, which is grow in thousands years ago until they have here the very beautiful place and lots of, but now apple is not there, nothing is like there. Now at last older younger teaching him, telling him that we will come back again, we will grow this in the God world and looking it. But at that time, I am happiness was spread here. But at this time, by refuting their word, the sister Calypso says that listen, sister, our world is destroyed. The reason of destruction is human, so will grow this apple. But on the words of human, hearing the Atlas daughter, younger daughter, says that it is the fruit of our God. If we plant this in the world of humans, it will destroy the human life. So please, sister, don't do it. The three sister was talking while keeping this apple on the table. Taking advantage of this, Billy brother comes there and quietly take the apple from there. But then due to Haste, the same voice is born. And at last, three daughter has seen him and immediately calls him. But before he does anything from with him, Billy comes here. He pick up Sajam bangles and give them back to his brother. But at last, daughter again steal those bangles from him. But now here Sajam and Billy and his brother run away from with the apple. Now by doing this, Calypso is successful in making her sister understand and his brother his selfish. He make her brother so all revenge. She wake up, then he make his brother so revenge. Then he wake up the dragon, and then Calypso sit on it and goes after Billy and his house, and she enter their house, break their whole house through the dragon and leave their house. Now taking this apple in her seat, Billy's sister start flying away from there by Calypso, who was riding a dragon who was chasing the apple. Then Billy comes to all his sister and take away from his power from them. And in the end, Billy's sister who had got the apple also gave power. Billy is left take his power now. So now Billy is left alone here who had his power. As soon as the apple is found, Calypso come to the stadium and buries it there. After which a big tree come out from the place of the apple whose branches spread throughout the city. All those eggs were coming out of the branches and the monster were coming from the breaking the eggs, which look very dangerous and big. As soon as they come out of their egg, they attack human. And now all this destruction was seen by Billy and his family and Sajam gangster that tell Sajam that I am not worthy of the power you have given me. So people, so please take all those power back. So Sajam say I have spent thousands of years in search of such people who is heart true, and Sajam was such a person who is pure and true heart. She was worthy of this power, and in this right sense you are worthy them. So recognize your power and stop the daughter of Atlas. Hearing this, Billy flies from there and goes to stop the daughter Atlas. But the younger daughter of Atlas also come here. We are tell that I am going to stop my sister Kepler, but I don't want to destroy the world to be human destroy. She then and come to her two sister and start talking to them. Now after that, the eldest daughter of Atlas agree, but Calypso does not agree because she was seeing destruction to take a revenge. She was become too blind and ordered to dragon to put the tail of dragon on her sister stomach, due to which her sister was badly injured. After doing this, Calypso was also take away the power of his younger sister from her, due to which now the youngest daughter of Atlas is nothing but a common vessel. And now dragon and Ladai dragon fighting was start, but as soon Billy used his power light, she seen that his Shazam stick is absorbing all my powers of the light, due to which he understand that if I put a lot of power on the Shazam stick, it charge and is burst. If this stick burst once, then defeat Calypso through it. Shazam goes to him and that take one animal that is unicorn, a creature like humans. After which he bring a lot of unicorns there, and after he brings lots of human and start trying to stop all the monster, after which Billy flies and goes straight to the elder son of Atlas, and he said that I have no an idea I can stop your sister, but yes, you will help me in this work, you will support me when the right time come. On which she agree, and Calypso sit on her dragon and come straight to her younger sister, with whom Billy brother was also there. Before the dragon eat anything, before the dragon eat both, Billy come here. Calypso snatches a gem stick and put it behind and take him straight to this and taking straight to him. And after hearing this, his elder sister of Atlas make the shield start to shrink, which we now is smaller. It's just covering a stadium in which all the dragon ants and trees are there. Now Billy whole family come there and tell him that you should not stay here alone. Run away from here quickly. The Billy said no, I only stop this and I will stop. After which Billy and Calypso have very fierce fight in that scene, in which Calypso dragon attack the cat many times. The light that the cat keep absorbing into Shazam stick again and again. Then what all the light come into the stick. Then how the cat bring the dragon near the tree while keeping the stick on it. Shazam falls hard. As soon he say this, a lot of falls on the cat, by which his Shazam stick burst there, and along with which collapsed his dragon and tree was grown also blasted. By after everything was end, because Atlas' elder daughter was also very injured. After some time he also died. The shield has also finished from there. All the animals were also become fired, and Billy was also right because he stopped Calypso. He lost his life. After which Billy friend all goes to the world of the gods, and with Shazam and Atlas' younger daughter and Boris. Billy there come here. Shazam tell that Billy could have been revived from this history, but all the power of the stake will only awaken when a god will hit on her hand. As soon as the Shazam story was end, Wonder Woman came here and he take her stick on her hand and hit the ground. As soon he power was again, and Billy was also revived. He was very happy to live again, and Billy thanked Wonder Woman for saving his life, and he wanna go for outside. After hearing this, she say pay attention to saving world, not to other things. She lived there along with Billy. All his siblings get his power back, and she came home. He was very happy. After that, Shazam come to meet her at the next home. He said that I am going from far away from here with this stick because I don't want to create any type of happen again with this the